This house was designed considering the surroundings, phenomena, and unique characteristics of the inhabitants. The Warmblack house looks sober on the outside, but on the inside it's cozy. The designer rejected the noise from the front street and considered privacy. The building is arranged in an L-shaped layout with 198 square meters, providing an airy and open atmosphere. Our design divided the house into 3 parts to make the most of the available space on a small lot and to bring suitable wind and natural light. The backyard challenges the direction of sunlight and gains wind from the southwest direction. The height of the neighbor's building benefits the backyard with sun shading, encouraging children to engage in outdoor activities during good weather. In the summer, when the sun sets, the living room will not be directly affected by sunlight. Additionally, the light phenomena during the day will generate light and shadow to fit properly with the usage of each area. The appearance of this house was dictated by the personality and interests of the owner. The man is interested in modern activities, unlike the woman who is characterized as gentle and sweet. The house was designed to be simple, yet elegant, representing the man's character using dark gray materials, including wood and stone, while the interior is colored in warm tones. For the interior, a soft and cozy feeling was created. Warm tones and colors were chosen for all materials with different textures. White cream-colored tiles provide a sense of relaxation, visually expand the house, and are easy to maintain. Marble with some traceries was used to add detail to the dining area. The space under the stairs was designated to hide the bathroom door and the second entrance. A wall, similar to the staircase, effectively conceals the door. The wall next to the stairs was designed with slats to maximize more dimension in the area. A skylight was installed at the top to observe the change of sunlight during the day. The scale of the common area was designed to be much larger than the private area. Each room has its appropriate size to encourage the use of the common area. The separation of the building into 3 parts was not only for the skylights and air vents, but also for the minor connection between the upstairs to communicate with the free space of the garden. For this reason, the master bedroom is located in this area so that the owner can observe every part of the house. A black house may reflect less heat, which can make it warm, but there are gaps in the wood material. This plays a role in insulation, and the installation method also allows for gaps between the wood and the building, making most of the building's walls double-layered. The three walls prevent black houses from accumulating heat, but also help to protect heat better.